Hello and welcome. Before start watching this video, please subscribe to Learn with Joy channel so that you receive all that is new in the computer world. Today we will talk about the central processing unit, one of the most important parts in computer. What is an instruction? Instruction is a list of things to do. What is a program? Program is a list of instructions. The main task for the CPU is to run a computer program. The CPU is the hardware part that executes programs and deals with the remainder of the PC system. Often known as the brains of the CPU, where most computations occur. First CPU created at Intel within the mid-1970s. Each instruction takes a very short time to happen. Many CPUs today can do more than 1 billion instructions in a single second. In general, the more a CPU can do in a given time, the faster it is. At the point when we begin to take a gander at the different segments of a CPU and how they work, recall this is about speed. At the point when we utilize a PC, we need the guidelines to be completed exceptionally quickly. As the guidelines become increasingly muddled, for instance, making a 3D liveliness or altering a video record, we request more from the CPU. Thus, the technological advances we have seen in processor technology have largely been driven by the need for speed. An ordinary CPU has various parts. The first is the Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU, which performs straightforward arithmetic and logical tasks. The second part is the Control Unit, CU, which deals with the different parts of the PC. It reads and interprets instructions from memory and changes them into a progression of signs to enact different pieces of the PC. The control unit calls upon the arithmetic logic unit to play out the fundamental computations. The CPU is responsible for carrying out all tasks. It's responsible for telling all the other components in a computer what to do, according to the instructions it is given by the programs running on that computer. There are two main types of CPUs, 32-bit and 64-bit. The instructions in a 32-bit CPU are good at handling data that is 32 bits in size. The instructions in a 64-bit CPU is good at handling data that is 64 bits in size. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button for more videos.